हेलो वेलकम बैक टू एंट्रेंस यूट्यूब चैनल। माय नेम इज़ नईम अशरफ और हम आज फिर से मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड एमसीक्यूज लाया हूँ आप लोगों के लिए, जो कि पार्ट थर्ड होगा। सही है ना। वही बच्चे इस बार एमयू का एग्ज़ाम देने वाले हैं, उनके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होगा। सो प्लीज़ हमारे साथ बने रहिए और वीडियो को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा। ओके, आप लोग वीडियो को वॉच तो करते हैं लेकिन सब्सक्राइब लाइक शेयर नहीं करते हैं। ओके, तो आप लोगों से एक रिक्वेस्ट है मेरी कि वीडियो को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा। सही है ना। और मैंने पहले भी पार्ट वन और पार्ट सेकंड स्टैटिक जीके का एमसीक्यूज मैंने अपलोड कर दिया है। सो प्लीज़ आप लोगों से भी जाकर के चेकआउट कीजिएगा। सही है ना। तो बढ़ते अपने क्वेश्चन की तरफ। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, which of the following describes an India innovation in the practice of parliament? Right answer B. 0 hour. Next, of the following, who is regarded as the guardian of the public purse of India? Right answer C. Comptroller and Auditor General of India. याद रखिएगा, ये जो आर्टिकल 76 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ये डील करता है किससे? कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया से। सही है ना। सो आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स के अंदर बताइएगा, हु इज द फर्स्ट कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया। सही है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द केस दैट मार्क द बिगिनिंग ऑफ इंडियाज प्राइवेटाइजेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन। राइट आंसर बी. टीएमए पाई फाउंडेशन वर्सेस द स्टेट ऑफ कर्नाटका. Next, the outstanding attorney who started the majority of India's environmental lawsuits. Right answer B. MC Mehta. Next, the Supreme Court ruled in which of the following judgments that the fundamental framework of the Constitution cannot be altered. Right answer B. Keshwananda Bharatiya case. Next, out of the following assertions, which one is false? Right answer D. Fundamental duties are enforceable. Next, what is the maximum age at which an Indian Supreme Court judge can serve in office? Right answer C. 65. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution states that rulings made by the Supreme Court are binding on lower courts? Right answer B. Article 141. Next, what does X imply in X-rays? राइट आंसर सी. अननोन. आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स के अंदर बताइएगा, एक्सरेज का डिस्कवर्ड किसने करा था। ओके. नेक्स्ट, द ऑथर हु क्रिएटेड द डिटेक्टिव शेरलॉक होम्स. राइट आंसर सी. आर्थर कॉनन डॉयल. Next, serving as the Constituent Assembly's constitutional advisor was. Right answer B. B.N. Rao. Next, the objectives of the directive principle of state policy are. Right answer B. Securing social and economic freedom by appropriate action. Next, the first Indian state to deploy electronic voting machines for the whole assembly election. Right answer C. Goa. Next, the first female foreign secretary of India. Right answer C. Chokila Iyer. Next, India's oldest high court. Right answer B. Calcutta High Court. Next, election-related conflicts that emerge from the elections for president and vice president are resolved by. Right answer B. Supreme Court of India. Next, the following substances was released into the atmosphere which led to the stratosphere's protective ozone layer being destroyed. Right answer B. Chlorofluorocarbons. Next, the first female Indian Olympic medalist. Right answer C. Karnam Malleshwari. Next, The Constituent Assembly members that drafted the Indian Constitution were right answer B. By the legislative assemblies under the Government of India Act 1935. Next, India's 5-year plans were ultimately accepted by right answer D. National Development Council. Next, who has the authority to resolve disagreements about removal from office as a member of parliament? Right answer D. President of India on the advice of Election Commission. Next, how many fundamental rights are protected by the Indian Constitution? Right answer B. 6. Next, the separation of powers theory denotes right answer D. Decentralization of powers. Next, the term preventive detention means right answer B. Detention before the offense is committed. Next, in 1975, who proclaimed a state of emergency in India under Article 325 of the Indian Constitution? Right answer C. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. Next, the 44th Amendment Act of 1978 to the Indian Constitution. Right answer first. Deleted the fundamental right to acquire, hold and dispose of the property. Next, of the following, which one is not a direct tax? Right answer first. Dividend tax. Next, the land reforms do not consist of right answer D. Land development loans to farmers. Next, the United Nations Security Council's 5 permanent members are right answer B. USA, UK, France, China and last Russia. Next, the method of preserving food by exposure to ionizing radiation is known as right answer first irradiation. Next, which judge from the list below provided a dissenting opinion in the habeas corpus case commonly known as ADM Jabalpur versus Shukla? Right answer C. Justice A.H.R. Khanna. Next, who was the judge who declared that the fundamental rights could not be changed? Right answer D. Justice K. Subbarao. Next, the Indian Supreme Court is pleased with right answer D. All the above type of jurisdiction. Okay. Next, a money bill can be presented into the parliament by right answer B. Any minister. Next, in which of the following cases it was held that preamble is not source of any power? Right answer C. Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Rajnarayan case. Next, according to the Indian Constitution, what is the maximum number of members that may be elected directly to the House of People? Right answer B. 550. Next, the location of the International Court of Justice is right answer C. The Hague. Next, the initial scientist to get the Bharat Ratna award was right answer B. C.V. Raman. Next, in accordance with Indian law, Panchayat's authority is right answer D. Determined by state legislatures subject to the provision of the Constitution. Next, a public interest litigation can be reflected by right answer A. Any public spirited individual. Next, which of the following does not appear in the preamble of the Constitution? Right answer. First, morality. Next, a court of record is what kind of court? Right answer. C. Can punish for its contempt. Next, there was much discussion of the Uniform Civil Code in the case of. Right answer. C. Shah Banu case. Next, what is the name of the first Chief Justice of India? Right answer. B. H.J. Kania. Next, identify the first Indian Supreme Court female judge. Right answer. First, Fatima Bibi. Next, voluntary disclosure of income scheme aims to. Right answer. First, collecting taxes on concealed income. Next, GSLV is a space technology acronym. Right answer. C. Geosynchronous Satellites Launch Vehicle. Next, who is recognized as the father of archaeology in India? Right answer. C. Alexander Cunningham. Next, the first spacecraft to land on Mars was. Right answer. C. Pathfinder. Next, the embryologist who developed the first ship clone. Right answer. D. Ian Wilmot. Next, the International Court of Justice resolved dispute between. Right answer. B. States only. Next, the World Trade Organization is located at. Right answer. C. Geneva. Next, in the Indian Constitution, impeachment refers to. Right answer. C. Legislative determination of guilt. Next, the constitutional authority for identifying scheduled tribes in India is. Right answer. B. The President. Next, the Supreme Court affirmed the Mandal Commission report in. Right answer. B. Indira Sane versus Union of India. Next, according to the Constitution, the right to property is. Right answer. C. Constitutional right. Next, the right to vote in India is a. Right answer. B. Legal right. Next, what is the number of official languages listed in Schedule 8 of the Indian Constitution? Right answer. B. Basic structure of the Constitution. Next, which individual was not an Indian Chief Justice? Right answer. C. Justice H.R. Khanna. Next, who served as India's first Attorney General? Right answer. B. M.C. Setal Ward. Next, the Indian Constitution's Article 51A on fundamental duties was added by the. Right answer. D. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. Next, India's highest law officer is. Right answer. First Attorney General. Next, the Indian Constitution of 1950 states in Article 1, Clause 1 that India, that is, shall be a union of states. Right answer. First, Bharat. Next, alibi refers to an accused person's plea that he. Right answer. B. Was present elsewhere. Next, the software that enables email to be received over the phone has been named. Right answer. D. Voicemail. Next, UNESCO is located at. Right answer C. Paris. Next, the famous Nalanda University was patronized by. Right answer first Guptas. Next, a work on the history of Ras Tarangani. Right answer B. Kashmir. Next, what is meant by the Supreme Court's judicial review function? Right answer C. Review the functioning of judiciary in the country. Next, he well-known commission on center-state relation in India. Right answer first Sarkaria Commission. Next, which of the following attended the Union of India in the year 1975? Right answer C. Sikkim. Next, the Digambara sect of Jainism believes. Right answer C. That no clothing should be worn. Next, which category does the right to property fall under? Right answer B. Constitutional rights. Next, which of the following leads the two houses of parliament in their joint session? Right answer C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next, which articles of the Indian Constitution address the Uniform Civil Code? Right answer C. 44. Next, the Indian reservation policies creamy layer test does not apply to. Right answer D. Both A and B. Next, the Constitution of India introduced the term socialist into the preamble. Right answer first 42nd Amendment. Next, the Indian Constitutions contains the directive principle of state policy. Right answer D. Part 4. Next, the Constituent Assembly's Fundamental Rights Subcommittee was chaired by. Right answer D. J.B. Kriplani. Next, India has the following number of high courts. Right answer D. 25. Next, select the fundamental rights that are accessible to citizens of India but not to foreigners. Right answer होगा first 1 and 3rd. Next, which of the following cases does the Indian Constitution allow for an exception to the rule of equality? Right answer first President and Governor. Next, in Panchayati Raj institutions, women are allocated seats as follows. Right answer D. 33% of total seats. Next, in India, a Panchayat Samiti at the block level is limited to. Right answer D. Administrative authority. Next, which of the following is eligible to attend a parliamentary session but is not permitted to cast a vote? Right answer first Attorney General of India. Next, the Constitution's Schedule 10 covers. Right answer B. Disqualification on ground of defection. Next, the Prasar Bharati Act's goal is. Right answer first granting autonomy to Akashvani and Doordarshan. Next, the Indian Geological Survey was established at. Right answer first 1916. Next, in economics, the word deflation refers to. Right answer B. decrease in the money supply relative to the supply in the import of goods and services. Next, the bank that only addresses the credit requirements of the agriculture industry and India's rural development. Right answer, first, NABARD. Next, the blue chip is right answer, C, the popular name of a profit-making company. Next, the Indian official connected to the Green Revolution. Right answer, C, M.S. Swaminathan. Next, the entire name of the piano as it is commonly known is right answer, B, piano port. Next, the acronym ATM in information technology stands for right answer, D, asynchronous transfer mode. Next, the Parliament's approval allows the national emergency to last for right answer, D, a maximum period of 6 months. Next, once appointed Supreme Court judges serve until they reach the age of right answer, D, 65 years. Next, the state with the highest number of Rajya Sabha seats is right answer, B, Uttar Pradesh. Next, the Rajya Sabha members are elected for a period of right answer, D, 6 years. Next, the Indian Constitution grants the Supreme Court and the High Court the authority to issue orders, directions, and prerogative right to enforce fundamental rights, Article 32 and Article 226, respectively. This right is recognized as right answer, C, right to constitutional remedies. Next, the Constitution of India was adopted on right answer, फर्स्ट 26 नवंबर 1949। तो हमारा यहाँ पे आज कंप्लीट होता है 100 MCQs पार्ट थर्ड। सही है ना? और हाँ, इस वीडियो को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा, भूलिएगा मत आप लोग। सही है ना? और पिछली वाली जो मैंने वीडियो स्टैटिक जीके की फर्स्ट और सेकंड पार्ट मैंने अपलोड जो किया है, सो प्लीज जा करके उसे आप लोग चेकआउट कीजिए, क्योंकि वो भी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है आप लोगों के लिए। ओके, तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय।